Hi there, my name is Kristen. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm cleaning the upstairs of my house, so hopefully this gives you some cleaning motivation. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing.
Secondhand, I felt a bit forgotten. Not your plan, but now the days of silence outgrow the fun things we have done. But tell me, do you wanna carry on? Plants don't grow without water, and they cave when it's cold. We could go till we're older. Put your head on my shoulder and let's enjoy the ride. When we started, our wishes aligned. We were like yin and yang combined. Now the tables have turned. Can we live and unlearn? You tell me. Plants don't grow without water, and they cave when it's cold. We could go till we're older. Put your head on my shoulder and let's enjoy the ride.
What I'm using here is a microfiber dish towel, I guess it is. I bought a huge pack of the bar towels, and I just fold those and use those on my Swiffer mop now, and then that way I can just throw them all in the washing machine. That saves money and the environment.
Say something, don't be speechless. I'm sleepless, so alone in this stillness. Oh, I long for you, sweetness.
So today on the wood floors, I was using the Bona spray cleaner. Sometimes I do use the Method because I like that as well. If you guys have a favorite, let me know in the comments below.
Oh, plants don't grow without water, and they cave when it's cold. Oh, and we could go till we're
You're like a fine bottle of wine.